Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to make money on blogger blog. So first you have to have an Google AdSense account, and then okay, I will show you. First you go to your blogger, and then you can see here for the on the left tab is earnings. So if you're not monetized yet your blog, it's going to be like this. Monetize your blog with AdSense, blah blah blah. This is the important things the most important things. You have to create a Google AdSense account. So not the blogger but the Google AdSense account. And then you have to go and create account for Google AdSense. You just go for search for Google AdSense, and then after you key in or opt in all the requirement data, and then you can the appearance will be like this. And then here you can see there is sites options. Click that sites, and then here you can see add sites, and then you can type in your blogger, your URL of your blog, and then save and continue. And then later you'll be served by this Google AdSense the code of Google Ads. So after you open the code and then copy the code, go back to your blogger and then click theme here. And then here you can see there is an option of customize. Click this down arrow and then click this edit HTML. After you click edit this HTML, it's going to be like this. No need to worry, because you don't need to be nerd to doing this. You just find this written head here, and then you copy the Google Ads code, copy into here. After that you need to approval from the Google AdSense. It takes around maybe few days, or it's written that 2 weeks in some cases. After that your blog is ready to serve ads, and then you will earning money from your blogger. To be noted that even if you already connect the Google AdSense account to your blogger, if your blog is not enough views, not really good, and the page views, your earning may be a little, so you have to increase your page views to earning money from Google AdSense and blogger. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel, and then if you have any question, please put in the comment below. Thank you.